We are going to plot the function f on the graph. Nice thing is that f of x equals 3, f of x equals -1, f of x equals -4. So really specifically what we need to be a little bit more careful about is when we have an open circle and when we have a closed circle. And just a reminder that when there's an equals, we're going to have a closed circle. And when there's not, and again, f of x equals 3 is the same thing as y equals 3, which is a horizontal line. I'm having a little bit of trouble here on the iPad, but I'm going to start with the point at -9, 3. That's going to be a filled in dot, again, because there is an equals at this value. And then I have to draw my line segment, and I'm going to go all the way to -3. And then lastly, what I need to do is I need to make this value an open circle because it says there. So I'm going to hit the open point and that. So there's our first piece of our function. And then we're going to do the same thing. Y equals -1. And as I scooted my iPad, but I want to try to do this here. And let's straighten that back up. So f of x equals -1. And of course, we're going to have a closed point. Again, because -3, -1, there's -3 is less than or equal to x. There's an equal in there. And we're going to be going over here to +3, but we're going to go to our line segment. And then at +3, because this is x is less than 3, there's no equal there. So there's our second piece. And then we can finish with our last piece, which is f of x equals -4. Again, y equals -4, a horizontal line. We're going to be going from -3 to 9. And at +3, -4, have a solid circle. +3, -4 here. Then we're going to draw our line segment over here to 9. And then at 9, we're going to have our open point because it's x is less than 9. And there's the answer to our problem.